Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I wanted to share a product review for you today using the Arteza 48 package of the Real Brush pens or markers. So they come in this plastic package and there's 4 trays inside with various colors. There is supposed to be a water brush up top there and I've somehow misplaced it in my craft room, so I wasn't able to show you that. But I think that is a great perk of this collection compared to some of the other Real Brush markers on the market. So I'm just showing you the trays here, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you the marker itself. So there's a brush tip at one end, and then there's the color of the marker at the other end. It is a very fine tip brush marker. I'm just going to swatch out one of these colors for you. And I'm going to add some water here using a water brush to show you how they blend beautifully on Bristol Smooth cardstock. So I do have a couple other markers that I can compare these to. I have this 60 set of the Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers. I tried to grab the closest marker color to the one I used with Arteza, and you can see here they move equally as well. Now here's my beloved distress markers. These are the first markers I purchased that were water-based, and this is in peacock feathers, and you can see all 3 of these markers work very similarly with the water and the Bristol Smooth cardstock. So I'm just going to label these here for you so you can see them again. And then we will move on to creating a card with the markers, and I'll talk a little bit about my opinion of these particular markers. So we're going to be using the Simon Says stamp set called Beautiful Flowers 2. I wanted to create a fairly simple card so that this review video wasn't too long. I am using Tim Holtz Distress watercolor paper by Ranger. And I'm going to stamp this out using my mini Misty here with my Versafine Clair Nocturne ink. I am going to stamp this up a couple times just because there is some texture to the watercolor cardstock. Once I get that done, I'm going to heat emboss that with some clear embossing powder. Just had to clean up a little bit of a smudge that I had there on the card first. And then I'm going to go ahead and start coloring. So I did play with these markers quite a bit before doing this review. I haven't done very many review videos before. This might even be my first set of products with the Arteza markers that I have done, and I wanted to make sure that I was giving an honest opinion of what I thought. I will be doing these markers and the Everblend alcohol markers. I'm not sure which one will go up first, but I've been playing around with both of them. Now, here I'm trying to show you that the tip of the marker, sometimes some of the markers have some stray little bristles that are kind of flailing away, for lack of a better word, from the fine tip, and that makes it really hard to stay within the lines. Not all of the markers are like that, but when I started using these off camera, I was doing some tiny images, like critter images and stuff, and I found it really hard to stay in the lines with these particular markers in comparison to the distress markers or the Zig markers. But they work beautifully for larger images such as flowers, or if you like coloring large people images, then they're absolutely great. And the fix around the smaller images is just to squiggle on some of the marker onto a mat and then go ahead and just pick up the color with a paintbrush. You get much more control with that. So that's one thing I'd say about the markers. So they're very hard for detail, but they worked beautifully for this card, as you can see as I'm creating. I do have to say that I prefer the color choices in the Arteza markers. I really think they come with beautiful, vibrant colors that go very well together. In comparison to the 60 pack of the Zigs that I have, I much prefer the colors in the Arteza. And really though, they work just the same. So I would say if you have the Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers, then the only reason perhaps to buy these in addition, in my opinion, would be if you want to round out with some different colors. But otherwise, I think they work very similar. If you're in the market for some very affordable real brush markers, then I would definitely recommend this set. So the 48 set retails for regular price $34 on the Arteza website, and I'll link everything down below in case you're interested. Now, they currently have a sale going on. I don't know for how long, but you can actually pick up this set for $23.79. And also there's a 10% off coupon code down in the description box that they've kindly given to my subscribers. So that's an amazing deal. The Zig Clean Color markers I looked up on Amazon, and they ranged from $60 to $80. So with Arteza, you can get them for about 70 cents a marker, and the Zig markers are anywhere from about $1.25 up to almost $2 per marker. I went ahead and poked around on the Arteza website to see what else they had. The Real Brush markers come in a set of 12, 24, 48, or 96. And they also have this really cool travel bundle that comes with a case, which I thought was really great because I often bring my Real Brush markers when I'm out doing something and want to grab something quick that I can color when I'm not in the craft room. So the 96 set, which I would love to see all the colors in that set, I'm sure it's beautiful, retails for $60. So the same price as the Zig 48 pack on Amazon. And that is the price on the Arteza website. Right now they have them on sale for $54 for 96 markers, which is unbelievable. And then you can use my 10% off coupon. So I don't know. I hope this helps. Let me know if you like hearing about my opinion of reviews. Like I said, I haven't really delved into this aspect of videos, but I do really like sharing my opinion on products that are out there. So there's the card. Really happy with these markers. I think this card is very clean and simple, but really beautiful. And so thanks for joining me today, and I will see you really soon in the next video. I've got a couple other videos here that you can click on should you wish to watch some more videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please feel free to click the logo on the screen to subscribe to my channel. And to be notified, click the bell and you will receive notifications every time I have a new video for you. Thanks everybody. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye.